There is one thing you should eat every day. When should you start eating it? Right around the time you're approaching the age of 50. That's when many people start to believe that strong muscles are no longer possible. When you hit 50, the body starts to feel weaker, and the energy you once had seems to fade. It feels like that youthful strength can't return. But in reality, this belief is completely wrong. While we can't stop aging, we can certainly slow down its effects. If the right nutrition is introduced at the right time, you can absolutely stay fit and strong well beyond 50. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful natural superfoods that not only support muscle health but also provide your body with the essential nutrients it typically begins to lose as you get older. Welcome, my dear friends, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. All these information are science-backed and research references are provided in the description below. Let's begin with the first one, green peas. They are inexpensive, easy to find, and packed with nutrition. Especially during winter, these small green peas are found in almost every kitchen. What many don't realize is that they are a powerhouse of protein. In fact, 100 grams of peas provide about 5.4 grams of protein, and this is high-quality, plant-based protein. What makes them even more special is that they contain leucine, an essential amino acid that plays a major role in muscle repair and rebuilding. If you're over 50 and want to keep your body fit, adding green peas to your routine is a smart move. Here's a powerful way to consume them. Take 200 grams of boiled peas, add 20 grams of peeled almonds, and mix in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Blend this all together into a creamy, nutritious spread. You can enjoy it with bread or on its own. This mix provides your body with protein, omega fats, and antioxidants, everything you need to support your muscles. Now let's talk about the second amazing superfood, one that not many people know about, but it's incredibly beneficial. I'm talking about green onions, also known as spring onions. These are the long, hollow stalks that grow from regular onions. What makes them special is that they contain natural sulfur, an important compound that supports the strength of your bones and joints. In addition, they help increase lean muscle mass. The best part? They're cheap and easy to grow. You can even grow them in pots at home. You can eat green onions raw in salads or slaws, or you can cook them with eggs, chutneys, or vegetables. They taste great and come with a wide range of benefits. Now for the third superfood, and this one is a bit surprising. Many people don't even know the name, but once they try it, they swear by its benefits. It's called Spirulina. This is a type of blue-green algae available in powder form. Just 3 grams of this powder contains about 2 grams of protein, which is remarkable. It also contains a compound called phycocyanin, which helps reduce inflammation in muscles. On top of that, it's rich in magnesium, which helps reduce fatigue and relaxes the muscles. Just 10 grams of spirulina powder gives you approximately 195 milligrams of magnesium, which is incredibly helpful for muscle recovery after workouts. To get the best out of spirulina, take it with vitamin C. For example, mix half a teaspoon of spirulina powder in water and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This enhances its antioxidant power. If you work out, here's a fantastic option. Mix spirulina with coconut water. This not only speeds up muscle recovery but also helps reduce fatigue. And finally, let me say this. If you want to live a healthy life, have strong muscles, and stay away from weakness as you age, you must include these 3 superfoods in your daily diet. What are they again? Green peas, green onions, and spirulina. These are gifts from nature. All we need to do is recognize them and make them part of our lives. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out future videos. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.